Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. When you're ready, type in Magic Fluids and get this free app from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now click on this gear icon at the top left one. Choose I accept in First Things First pop-up and manage all of those options however you want to. Then click on the top right corner and bottom right corner. Lastly, tap on Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Apply and pick one of those options. In my case, home screen only. So when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!